Hurricane Beryl. I'm doing this because I just hit 10K subs on YouTube. Let's go!
But yeah, this is before this is even a hurricane.
Across the upper Texas coast later tonight.
It's an intense wind one. Oh, we're getting absolutely freaking rocked. Holy moly. Wow.
Hurricane Beryl was an incredible storm that covered a lot of sea and land over its life cycle, and broke some records along the way. On June 28, 2024, Tropical Storm Beryl was formed in the Atlantic Ocean. The following day, Beryl was upgraded to a hurricane. On June 30th, 2024, Beryl became a major Category 4 hurricane, which is the earliest Category 4 storm to form in the Atlantic in recorded history. On July 1st, 2024, Hurricane Beryl became a Category 5 major hurricane, breaking yet another record, becoming the earliest Category 5 storm ever observed and the second Category 5 storm to occur during the month of July. After impacting Jamaica and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, Beryl re-emerged over the Gulf of Mexico and weakened back to a tropical storm. Beryl then had its eyes set on the Texas coastline. Many hours before Beryl, I was in Matagorda, Texas, checking out the waves as then Tropical Storm Beryl was still off the coast.
But yeah, this is before this is even a hurricane, before it's even making landfall. These outer eyewall bands coming through. Isn't even in the worst of it yet. This is just the start of some outer high bands coming onto shore near Matagorda Beach, Texas. Worst is yet to come here in a couple hours. Holy smokes. Alright, now we are located right near Sargent Beach, near Sargent, Texas, in Matagorda County.
Across the upper Texas coast later tonight as Tropical Storm Beryl advances north. Discussion: Tropical Storm Beryl is advancing steadily north toward the upper Texas coast late this evening. Over the last few hours, organized outer convective bands have begun to spread inland, and there have been a few stronger supercells that have moved onshore over Brazil.
Keeps getting more and more intense by the minute. In here at Sargent Beach, Texas. Some storm surge starting to come back up. Oh, look at that. Really come up. Each of these bigger waves that start coming in. It's an intense wind one. just to the north of Matagorda at the Buc-ee's here. Actually, probably closer to Wade's Mouth, I believe is what it's called. Absolutely getting rocked here over just the last minute or so since joining this. Yeah, there's some wind coming at me. Some very intense winds. This flag over there is kind of holding on for dear life. Probably going to try getting a little bit further toward Matagorda, towards the beach, as long as the flooding is not too significant, as that looks like where it's going to be official landfall for this Category 1 Hurricane Beryl.
Are you waiting on landfall?
These are really intense throughout here. Getting absolutely freaking rocked. Holy moly. Getting rocked hardcore, vehicle is shaking. You can hear that wind howling. Absolutely rocked right here. Not too deep. Currently in the very calm eye of Hurricane Beryl. Fortunately, do not see any stars or anything. We do have some damage along this roadway.
There's things in the road, blocking the road from some flood damage. Very, very calm eye. Wish we could see the sky or it was daylight at least. There's a cat up on the tree. Boat in the road. A lot of damage up the road. Check out that major damage too. Yeah, it's definitely some sort of storage unit, RV storage.
Head southwest on Sergeant Joe Parks Jr.
What a
Memorial Highway
change.
toward West Redwood Road.
Daylight reveals to this. This is one spot where we rode out Hurricane Beryl for quite a while last night. Wow. Look at the damage to the roadway from major storm surge last night and very early this morning, associated with Hurricane Beryl and the waves coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf is still angry. RV flipped over from Hurricane Beryl last night. Hurricane Beryl may have not been very strong upon landfall along the Texas coastline. However, it was strengthening as it was impacting the Texas coastline. And most of the time, when a hurricane is strengthening upon landfall rather than weakening, the effects can be more deadly and dangerous. Thankfully, the damage isn't as bad as what it could have been, but my heart absolutely goes out to all of those communities and people that are impacted. The effects of Beryl, post-hurricane and post-tropical storm, were felt many states away, with days after the hurricane, tornado outbreaks across multiple states, potentially breaking some records with the amount of tornado warnings in one day. Even today, current time, 3:54 p.m., July 10th, 2024, as I'm recording this and finish up this video, the Houston area is suffering major power outages and still feeling the effects from Hurricane Beryl. I would like to take the time to thank all of my amazing mods for all of their time, dedication, and sacrifices throughout their personal life that they make for me, the channel, the brand, and you, fellow watchers, and the public. Without my amazing team that supports and backs me, I cannot do half of what I do to bring you the guys the live coverage and these videos. Thank you so much to all the amazing, wonderful mods. And a huge thank you to everyone that does watch my live streams and that supports me. Thanks to all of you guys, especially some of Max Velocity viewers, I was able to finally surpass 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. In fact, I'm right around 10,400 at the current time. Thank you, seriously from the bottom of my heart, mods, viewers, everybody, for getting me to the point where I am. If you are able to help support these communities financially, I strongly urge you to find reputable organizations that are doing hands-on work on the ground in these impacted areas. One of these organizations that I can highly recommend is Team Rubicon, a veteran-owned and operated organization. They do fantastic work all over the world. I hope you made it all the way to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you did and what your favorite part of this video was. Thank you so much for watching and for everyone that tuned into the live stream. Very long live stream at that. We'll see you guys on the next adventure and chase. Thank you guys so much.